Do we know where Regina is?
It might be a Canadian school. All right, the NFC South had an interesting and very consistent second and third round, going after offensive linemen and defensive front seven players. We'll start with Carolina, who go after, of course, Amini Silatolu, who is a ghost and possibly wearing a onesie. I'm not sure what's going on with that picture, but he does fill a need because they've invested heavily in Cam Newton and D'Angelo Williams and last year Jonathan Stewart and became an elite rushing team. So it's more of the same. He should see time on that offensive line, and it fills a need, and they're going to keep running. Moving on, the Falcons. Also a need on the offensive line because, frankly, their line last year, a bit soft. They go after Peter Kahns from Wisconsin, the center leading that Badger rushing attack, that power rushing attack, versatile enough to play guard, and they go with Lamar Holmes from Southern Miss. So they really shore up an area of need as they, of course, look to Michael Turner in his older age and Quiz Rogers, and they need to protect Matt Ryan even more. So the Falcons fill an absolute need. Let's move on to the Buccaneers, who couldn't stop anybody, and especially, as I mentioned, with the Panthers running as wild as they did, do need some help in the front seven. They go after Levante David from Nebraska, an absolute tackling machine, sideline to sideline, as efficient and as good an open field tackler as you will find in this round and in this value. It's a terrific pick. And to close things out, the Saints, without a first-round pick, go after Akeem Hicks, I think without a second-round pick, if I'm correct. In the third round, Akeem Hicks, the defensive tackle from, I'm trying to say this correctly, Regina. That's really fun for me to say. But yes, with all the turnover happening, especially on the coaching staff, it is nice to fill a need at defensive tackle to shore up the run defense. But these gentlemen over here in the war room are going to speak more to everything I've just said at the Oval Table.
Oval Table. Regina.
Regina.
Well, I'll get it started with Levante David. Speed, can never have enough of it in the NFC South. Got some dome teams. You can get off that edge quickly.
Yep.
You got to be able to protect the middle of the field when you play against Drew Brees. So, I mean, I'll give it a B+.
B+, sir?
I'm going to go with Carolina. I'm giving them a B-. I like Silatolu. He can help with the run, but he's unproven. And I want them to go get a receiver. They didn't try to trade into the second or third round and get an extra pick. They need someone else because Steve Smith is aging, so B-.
It's interesting with New Orleans because they don't have a lot of needs offensively. We saw them so successful. But to fill that need on defense, especially against the run up the middle, he's going to compete right away for playing time because they were so bad. So at the moment, I'm going to give him a B+, even though from a tiny school, it's hard to tell.
Do we know where Regina is?
It might be a Canadian school,
Okay.
Canadian Regina.
Take it away.
Fill it out.
But down south from Canada, Atlanta Falcons, their first-round pick obviously still belongs to Julio Jones.
Right.
So they start in the second round. They go with Peter Kahns, center out of Wisconsin. He trades in Monty Ball for Michael Turner. Not too bad. And then they go with Lamar Holmes, tackle. He's a big dude, 6'6", 320, but he can move. So I'll give him a B-. Can't go wrong with the O-line.
I'd go higher than that. Peter Kahns, man, that was a first-round pick on a lot of people's boards. That's the top center in this year's draft. But hey, whatever. Yeah.
I don't like what you did with your voice, so I'm going to stop all of this. Jimmy, come back here. This is straight vodka. And let me tell you something. For more straight vodka, for more NFC South, for more AFC, NFC, whatever NFL draft stuff, subscribe, comment down below, agree or disagree with all of these picks. Regina's so great.
Is it Saskatchewan?